Okay, hello everyone, wherever you are. Welcome back to Alpha Talk Show with me, Adventino as the host. Today will be special for you if you like anything related to civil engineering, because in this occasion, we will discuss about major changes in the world of civil engineering with our guest stars, experts in civil engineering. I'm sure you are familiar with our guest stars today. Actually, they have already connected with us. Let me introduce them to you, Mr. Vincent Evin Tanta Pelawi, Mr. Marcelino Sandi Dwi Pamungkas, Mr. Abelard Herdinovan Elasa, and Miss Inasafa Muharani. Wow, finally we can discuss with our great specialist in civil engineering world.
Thank you, Mr. Adven.
Thank you, Mr. Adv.
Thank you, Advan.
Okay, how are you today, Mr. Abelard, Sandi, Vincent, and Miss Inasafa?
I'm fine, Mr. Advan.
Hi.
I'm good.
I'm okay.
Okay, our discussion today is about major changes in the world of civil engineering. There are many influences and parts in the world of civil engineering, but in this occasion, we will only discuss three parts, i.e., environmentally friendly building, health and safety at construction sites, and jobs in civil engineering. Hmm, I want to ask, and of course the viewers are also curious about the views of the speakers regarding of their specialties. Our speakers will answer, I'm sorry, our speakers will answer according to their respective experience or can be said to be quite skilled in explaining this. We will also discuss about the changes that are taking place in the world of civil engineering. From the past until now, the world of civil engineering has changed a lot. These changes certainly have some impacts on the development of the civilian world. The developments that have occurred have greatly influenced the journey of the civilian world from the past to the present and even to the future, not only in terms of regulation regarding occupational safety and health, the work opportunity, I'm sorry, the work opportunities of civil engineering graduates and the buildings that have been constructed, but also the experience technological developments. We want to know what the speakers think about this. Okay, let's start and listen to what the speaker will say. Before getting into each topic of conversation, I would like to meet, I would like to ask Miss Ina, what's your response regarding the past and the present world of civil engineering? Please. Miss Ina, can you hear me?
Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. Um, Previously, I would like to thank you for being given the opportunity to share my experience related to the world of civil engineering. My response about the world of civil engineering from the past and the present is the world of civil engineering is very broad and there must have been a lot of change from the past until now. The changes are also being followed by the times, and that made the world of civil engineering even more attractive. And what can be felt is that technology is getting more sophisticated and the innovation that are being created and also getting better. Thank you, Mr. Advent.
Well, it is natural that today's viewers is very interested in the world of civil engineering. Okay, I want to ask Ken, in their opinion, how important it is for the viewers to know about the three topics that will explain by the next sources.
Thank you for the question, Mr. Advent. I think these three things must be closely related and very important because from the point of view of employment in the world of civil engineering, there are definitely risks in every field. This is of course related to occupational health and safety, which varies in each field. Therefore, the importance of occupational health and safety is applied. Regarding environmentally friendly buildings, it is included in the innovation made by civil engineering workers. And therefore, technological development have given birth to this innovation. In essence, from the development of civil engineering technology to being able to make environmentally friendly buildings to occupational health and safety planning are closely related and inseparable. Yep. Thank you.
Oh, I see. These three important parts cannot be separated from the world of civil engineering, and they do influence each other, but now and in the future. The next explanation will be explained by each expert. I want to start and listen to Mr. Apilat. What do you think about civil engineering and what jobs are there in the world of civil engineering? Because civil engineering is very popular with our viewers today. Please.
Can you hear my voice, Advent?
Yes, Mr.
Hello.
Apilat. Yes,
Okay.
I can.
In my opinion, civil engineering is a branch of engineering that studies how to design, build, renovate not only buildings and infrastructure, but also include the environment for the benefit of human life. The broad branch of civil engineering covers aspects of life covered in the content of civil engineering science. Each branch of civil engineering work has its own expertise, which will be related to one another. Profession obtained from an expert in this field include designing, carrying out construction, maintaining infrastructure such as bridges, tunnels, building, airport, others and others. In civil engineering, career prospects are not just about building. However, there are many other professions such as construction consultant, quality control analyst, supervisor, and system quality control manager. Thank you, Mr. Advan.
Okay, I want to ask Mr. Apilat again. What do you think about the developments and differences that you felt from the world of civil engineering then and now?
I think the development and change in the existing times help solving existing problem. It is demanded to be able to adapt to development and condition, to design infrastructure and buildings to be more efficient, safe, and of course, paying attention to environmental safety. The difference that is felt is also such as if previously drawing had to use a lot of paper. Now it is easier with an application that can reduce paper usage. I think a worker in civil engineering should also take into account about future possibilities. From this consideration, many civil engineering jobs that will even start now use sophisticated technology. That's it, Mr. Arkan.
Wow, there are many interesting jobs in the civil engineering world. I think the viewers really understand about this world of civil engineering. Okay, we are going to the next topic, i.e. health and safety at construction sites. I will turn to Mr. Sandy. What do you think about health and safety at work? And you can set an examples on that health and safety, please.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you for giving me the time. I think occupational health and safety in the world of the civil engineering is the main thing in implementing a project so that work is safer and smoother. Workers and the company must understand the importance of understanding occupational health and safety. For example, workers must wear project helmets, project shoes, project clothes, and other project equipment and comply with all existing regulation. Meanwhile, occur in the field, such as preparing insecure for workers who have a work accident. Thank you.
Okay, then is there any development and change that have been felt by you regarding to safety and health at work in the past with the present? If so, what are the forms of these developments and changes?
Okay. Well, in my opinion, of course, they are development accompanied by changes. What is most felt is that the regulation related to occupational health and safety in the past were not too strict with the sanction stipulation by regulation. If a work incident occurs against workers, the companies must be responsible and subject to the state punishment. Thank you.
Okay, I agree with you, and I also think that occupational health and safety are the main key in the world of civil engineering. And indeed, based on Mr. Sandy's explanation, this occupational health and safety are really important. Okay, then we are going to the next topic, i.e. environmentally friendly building. Well, of course, many people nowadays are wondering about environmentally friendly buildings that may have used advanced technology. What is your view, Mr. Vincent, on on environmentally friendly buildings? Because this is very attractive and has been implemented in many countries. Please.
Okay, can you hear me, Mr. Advin?
Yes, sir. Please.
Thank you for the question. In my opinion, an environmentally friendly buildings is buildings that cares about environmental or natural aspect. So the building does not emit to high greenhouse effect. And also buildings that are planned with the environmentally friendly concept do not harm the environment. If the concept continues to develop, it does not emulate the possibility of new ideas arising as a result of existing application, and then have an impact on nature preservation. Thank you.
Okay. Then, what are the differences that you felt according to environmentally friendly building system? And what do you think?
I think the difference you feel has changed significantly, and the change you feel is certainly better. I can mention how they felt before implementing eco-friendly building and after implementing them. Before environmentally friendly building system first increase the impact of environmental damage. 2. Wasteful in use money. 3. Human health is getting worse because of the environmental caused by humans. After having an environmentally friendly building system first, life healthier. 2. The environment is calm and comfortable. Third, recycling. For example, you can recycle the remaining materials that can still be processed and used for building materials or interior parts of the house. Thank you.
Wow, I do think so, Mr. Vincent. Okay, finally we have already had a lot of answers to the puzzling question of how things can be. But to be honest, I'm still curious about something in the civil engineering's world. But I don't think we still have time to discuss it again in this occasion. I hope we can discuss it again deeper in the next occasion. Thank you to our guest stars today for the time to share many opinions with us and the loyal viewers of our talk show. See you in the next talk show only in Atma TV every Saturday at 6 p.m. Thank you. See you later.
Thank you. See you.
See you guys.